Craig here. I got a new alarm in the mail yesterday, and here it is. So you can tell it's an electromechanical horn. Right down here, this little screw is the volume control screw. It's made of metal. It's a little bit heavy. Here's the back. You can see it's marked for 24 volts DC. And it only has 2 wire leads instead of a normal 4. This is a Simplex model number 4051, 24 volts DC electromechanical horn. Not really much to say about this alarm other than it's old, obviously, as you can tell judging by the Simplex logo. And that it has only 2 wire leads instead of your regular 4. It's an older design, obviously. I believe later designs of Simplex electromechanical horns had a different grill and they were a little bit slimmer in design than this. Whereas this is kind of big and bulky, and it is quite heavy because it's all metal pretty much. So yeah, there's nothing really too special about it. I'll go ahead and get this wired up and mounted to a back box and we can do some testing with it.